In this tutorial, we would like to show you how you can easily protect single slides or your whole presentation before sending these files to your colleagues for informational purposes. We use the Empower version 9.2. There's two ways in accessing the feature slide protection. Either way, you will be able to convert your content into a read-only file and ensure that no editing will be done to your information. You can either navigate to the group Finalize and click on the split button check to execute the slide protection feature, or you can simply execute a right click on the given slide to navigate to slide protection and open up this window. Here you have the option to decide whether you would like to protect only the selected slides at the left-hand panel that are now selected. In my case, this would only be slide number 2, or if you want to protect all slides in your presentation, no matter which one is currently selected. Additionally, you can choose a specific password to even higher the level of security for your presentation or selected slides. You would simply type your password in and confirm it here. And you could also protect charts permanently if there are any on a slide. We will see that in a short moment on slide 3 for demonstrational purposes. If you activate this feature by clicking on the toggle button, there's a slight warning here because we have to give you a heads up that once a chart is protected, this protection is permanently, because technically speaking, we are converting the PowerPoint chart into an image. As well, slide protection only works if the recipient of your content also has Empower installed, so this would be a feature rather to use internally, but nonetheless, it can be very useful when you want to display sensitive data and want to ensure that the recipients only have access to read it. Of course, you can always unprotect the slides you've protected by executing either a right click again on a slide and navigate to slide protection, or by navigating to the group Finalize again. Now it's time for a short demonstration. We have a slide here that has some text and charts in it, and I would like now to ensure that this chart is protected. Thus, I will not allow anyone to execute any changes to my slide. So I will click on slide protection to open up the slide protection window. I only want to protect the selected slides, and I do want to protect my chart permanently and confirm my options, my selections by clicking on OK. You can see that the progress bar is spinning and ensuring that the slide is being protected, and now you can see even myself as the author is now not able to click on any of the contents to change it. However, we see a slide hover over window that's called Unprotect, so I could directly click here on this button to open up my Unprotect window, and I can now either again choose to unprotect all slides. In my case, it would still be only slide number 3 because I chose this specific slide, or I can click selected slides and confirm my selection. We see that the progress bar is spinning again and protecting the slides. However, my chart is now permanently converted into an image, as I explained earlier. Now it's your turn. Feel free to test this function yourself and ensure that sensitive data is being protected when handed out to your colleagues. For more information on Empower, check our other tutorials.